What's going on, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech and more reviews. And yes, I finally broke down and got me an Apple Watch. This is the Series 6. This is 44 millimeters from the company Nomad. This one over here is the modern strap. This one is a sport strap. So let's check them out. So the first one we're actually going to talk about is going to be the sport strap, because this one is the one that I mainly rock on a daily basis. I like this one a lot. It's very comfortable. It's very smooth. It doesn't chafe on the skin. It doesn't fit really tightly. It doesn't pull on the skin either. That's one of the biggest things. I have hairy arms, so I'm always looking for a watch band that's not going to pull the hair on my arms. Now this one doesn't come with a clasp, but it comes with an interior little notch right there, and all you're gonna do is just fasten it, put it on your arm, and you're good to go. No issues with this. I like it a lot. Very strong, very durable. This right here is the sport strap. So the good thing about these straps is they actually fit 44 and 42 millimeter Apple Watches. So no matter which size you have in those two variants, it's going to fit. Super comfortable, extra breathable. No issues with this. Like I said, it doesn't rub really hard against the skin. There are no issues. I like it a lot. Big shout out to Nomad for making one of these sports bands. I love it. This is my very first Apple Watch, and this is a great band for me to pick up. Now I like the Apple Sports Band, but I like these better. Looks a little more sporty, and I actually like the ridges that come on the clasp or the band itself. So basically that's what you're gonna get when you pick up one of these bands. Now, moving right along to the modern strap. Now, this one is a more premium experience. This one is made out of leather. You notice the color on it, and when you see the actual color coordination on the watch and the band itself, and when I saw the picture of the band and the watch, I basically went out and bought the black watch just because. But when you open it up, this is what you're going to be greeted with. You get your O-ring leather explanation right over here, and you get the band in here. Nice and protected. Now, we're going to take this thing out. Don't want to damage it. Now, the good thing about this type of leather is with time, it basically ages. So it doesn't just wear and crack. It looks better over time. You got your strap here, clasp here. Basically, you're just going to pull all of this down, take that out, and you're good to go. So the black on black is a good combination. It looks really good, looks really sleek when it's on your arm. No issues out of me with this band. I've been using their leather products, their leather goods for a while now, and I have not regretted any of their products. I like the color, I like the fit. It's nice, it's light, it's breathable. If it gets wet, you basically just take it off your arm and wipe it off. It dries off. Down here, you do have a logo from Nomad on the inside of the watch right there, letting you know you are getting premium Nomad goods for your device. But that's pretty much it. It's a great fit, a great device, and I like it a lot for my Apple Watch. So there we go, two great bands, one a sports band for your everyday use, and the other one more of a premium feeling leather band. Both of them fit nice, they're breathable. You can wipe both of them down. There are no issues. I can't say a whole lot about them. They're not hot. They don't pull the hair on your arm. They don't like rub your arms while you're wearing them. They just feel really comfortable and they feel really good. And I actually like these versus the Apple silicone band itself. So I'll be sure and drop links below so you can check both of these out for yourself. You're going to pay anywhere from about 60 to 70 bucks for these watch straps, but I think it's a really good investment. Apple watch bands, silicone ones cost you about 50 bucks or so. So if you're gonna get a leather one, if you're gonna get a premium sports band, I think this is probably the way that you want to go. 70 bucks will get you these, and they actually come in different colors. So link will be below so you can check them out for yourself. Until next time, be sure and give me that big thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.